This is an electric mason jar vacuum sealer. This can seal wide mount and regular. To seal wide mount, you would unlock it, and this portion by itself will seal the wide mount jars. To seal regular jars, you align it, then you lock it back in, and this is used for regular. It looks like that on here because I started to peel off the little sticker, but then decided that I didn't want it off. So I have grounded ginger that I did a while ago, but I wanted to take out some, so I unsealed this jar, and now I'm gonna seal it back. So you simply just place it on top of it, push down until it's secure, and then press on. And then you leave it, and it goes through and vacuum seals it. It has in there, you have to keep it on for at least 65 seconds. Sometimes I do it longer just in case. It doesn't hurt anything. When you're ready, you just press. You stop it, and you pull it off, and it seals. And then to store, I put it back on. So I'll say that you don't have to put it, but I do. And that's it.